Hey everyone! Today we're making a warm and comforting Sri Lankan classic, dal curry. Here's what you will need. Cooking oil, cardamom, chili, cloves, cinnamon, mustard seeds, green chili, curry leaves, garlic, pandan, onion, salt, turmeric, dal, water, coconut milk. Start by heating a bit of cooking oil in your pan. Once it's hot, toss in some cardamom, cumin seeds, dry red chili, a piece of cinnamon, a couple of cloves, and a pinch of mustard seeds. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. Now add your green chili. A handful of curry leaves, some sliced garlic, pandan leaves, and onion. Give it a good mix and saute everything until it's fragrant. Add a bit of salt and a dash of turmeric. Mix it well to coat all the ingredients. Now it's time for the star, the dal. Add it straight into the pan and pour in some water. Let that cook down until the dal is soft and tender. Once your dal is nicely cooked, pour in some creamy coconut milk to finish it off. Stir it gently and let it simmer for a few more minutes. And that's it. You've just made a delicious, comforting dal curry. Perfect with rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a try and share it with someone who loves good food. Thanks for watching.